and what M3M Foundation is doing, I'll request, before that, I'll request our chairman, sir, if we may allow to present you this traditional Himachali welcome to His Holiness. This one is it?
Thank you. Cold.
I'll do it.
This is very useful. Come here. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, His Holiness.
When I was young, my elder brother, his name was Samden. We always lived together and played together. And occasionally, some problem. Then you say, my weapon is this one. Thank you. Okay. So now today, last now several years as a refugee here, many occasions meeting some Western scholars, including scientists. They really showing interest how to keep peace of mind, how to deal with anger, because we already have the knowledge about mind, about, you see, keeping peace of mind. So last few decades, I really found opportunity meeting with scholars from Western world and then particularly scientists. So modern science, they always pay much attention about external things, matters, these things. Not much knowledge about mind. So now, the high knowledge about technology, these things, and plus our knowledge about mind, about emotion, you can utilize material development properly, or intelligence. Then human brain cannot, let's say, use properly all the material thing. So now, today, the Western materialistic education about matters combined with ancient Indian knowledge about mind make peaceful. So now, a lot of Western educationists really showing interest about peace of mind. Not only just pray, but thinking or try to tackle anger, jealousy, and try to increase affection, compassion. So we can certainly make some contribution for peace of mind. Combine material development with peace of mind. So my life totally dedicated to share with people, increase peace of mind. And then material development used by peace of mind, then very good. Material development used for killing, weapon, wrong. Science should use for peace. Actually, now we 7 to 8 billion human beings. Everyone wants peace. And when we born, always you see received maximum affection from our own mother and fed us with mother's own milk. We human nature is more compassionate. Mother's affection and mother's milk, you see, give us inner peace and loving kindness. I think basic human nature, when we start our life, the special sort of quality, affection with the mother's milk. And we children, including myself, when we young, we don't count what religion, what country. So long we smile and play together. So that we really need. Gradually, when we join education, then makes differences. This nation, this religion, that religion. And our peace of mind little bit disturbed. Too much differences. And with that, they concept the strong feeling of we and they. When we was very young, children played together. You see, never feel we and they. We play together and sit together. So now, time come. We really need entire human being on this planet feeling of we brothers, sisters, not much thinking. My nation, their nation, my religion, their religion, and fighting. Through that way, we can develop real peaceful world without the strong feeling of discrimination and feeling we all same human being. No need to weapon killing. We have to live together, helping each other. It is quite sad. In the name of different religion, sometimes fighting. It is very sad. All religion teach us compassion. In philosophical field, differences. Some say creator, some say no creator. That is philosophical field. But all carry same teaching, loving kindness. So now, time come. I think we too much suffer on the basis of discrimination, their nation, my nation, and fighting. Now on the basis of oneness of human being on this planet, no longer need weapon. Even small disagreement, we can solve through talk, not by weapon. So that's, I think, our common responsibility to build happy humanity with sense of brotherhood, sisterhood. You see, they no longer too much emphasis, my nation, my religion, their religion. We are basically same human being. The way we born, same way. The way we die, same way. No differences. So now, we should emphasis on similarity, sameness. We all human beings. So I'm hoping within my lifetime, I think world can develop genuine, peaceful world. No longer weapon, no longer strong feeling of discrimination. So now, I really feel now we, human being, much experience. Now time come, we have to think truly peaceful world. No weapon, no feeling of discrimination, we and they. We have to live together as a human brothers, sisters. My own little experience come from Tibet and India as a refugee. But whenever I meet people, I always feel we are same human being. So we really need sense of oneness of 7 to 8 billion human beings. We are same. With that feeling, we really develop genuine peaceful world. Then global warming, it is nature process. After a few decades, the world become too hot. This is some Buddhist scripture mentioned, world itself burned. Seems, you see, that direction now coming, global warming. Now scientists also now mention global warming. So, in any case, global warming, the world eventually burned by itself. So before that, while we still alive, we should live happily, with sense of brotherhood, sisterhood, and helping each other.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
This is with the top.